Clara, what's under the Christmas tree?
Hi, Mama. Yeah. Now I want to see this present.
Hey, Clara, did Santa bring you a bike?
Clara,
Why don't you look around some more, honey? Maybe he did. Maybe you just don't see it.
maybe it's not. It didn't look like it would fit under the tree.
Yeah.
Hey, Clara, why didn't you look around a little
There,
more?
oh my goodness, I see something over there. Behind you.
What's that?
My leg.
What does it say? Are you sure it's for you? Let's see. What does it say on the? What does it say here?
To Clara.
Oh, all right.
I don't know. Santa.
Santa. Let's see your bike.
And that's my helmet.
Oh, and you got a helmet too.
Yeah, because I didn't want to trip and fall.
Oh, that's right.
You want me to help you get it on?
Yeah.
I'll show you.
I want to try to ride my bike. I'm gonna get up. Do you know what?
Here, let's move it. Let's move it away so you can have a little more room.
Time